Hola chicos, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use the website Conjuguemos. So Conjuguemos is a really cool website and it means let's conjugate, where you can practice lots of things. So I'll kind of explain how it works. The website is conjuguemos.com, so make sure you check your spelling, okay? Alright, so the way this website is set up, it's set up for multiple languages, and the cool thing about it, we're going to scroll down and find Spanish down here, is that we can, if you're studying a certain verb and you're like, man, I'm having trouble with this, I can click on Spanish verbs, figure out what tense I'm in. So maybe I'm just learning those stem changing verbs, which can be tricky. I'll click on that, and I can click around here. I can go to the conjugator. Oh, I gotta say start practice, sorry. Okay, so it's gonna give me a pronoun el, a verb, repetir, and I'm going to have to conjugate that. Uh-oh, stem changer, so repite. You can add an accent here, and then you just say check. Correct, awesome. And that's kind of a drill and kill thing that you have available. Or you can click on the verb chart, and that'll give you the verb chart. So if you're working with a verb, you can print these off and keep these handy, if that's something that you would like to do, okay? All right, so that's great for going and getting some extra study time. The other thing that's really cool is to practice your vocab. So you can look at Spanish vocab in your book, Spanish vocab by theme. So this is awesome. I'm going to study Spanish vocab in my book. So I'm going to scroll down to the book that we have, which is Así se dice. The purple book is level 1, the red book is level 2. Okay? And I'm going to click on the chapter that I'm working on. So let's say I'm on chapter 3. And I can start here. To answer, okay, well, it must be contestar, right? It must be an infinitive. I can do that, again, just kind of drilling and killing, or what I like are the interactive games, and this is what I think is cool. So I click on the interactive games, and I've got 5 games that I can play. And so let's say I want to do a word search. So here I have all these words. So I'm going to look for libro, and let's say I find it, even though I haven't found it, okay? So basically you just click. And so go ahead, and that would be to select what you think is the answer. So basically just, oh, nope, that's not it. Thought I found it. Basically just head to the website, check out the interactive games. There's tons you can click. You can have, they'll solve it for you, okay? You can learn how to play, etc., etc. So there's memory, right? Everyone knows how to make memory. We did the word search. You can do hangman. You can do flashcards. Start game, so you can see what it looks like. Oh, this one takes a little bit while. Make sure your flash is updated also in order for the game. So if you click on flashcards, you can drill it. So you can start game. So to look for. And then it'll flip it over, buscar. So if you get it right, then you should remove the card from the deck. And just go through the flashcards until you have no cards left in the deck. Okay? Or you can do the crossword. So, and then they'll give you clues in English and you write it in Spanish. So that's a really good way to practice vocab. Okay? The other one, if you scroll down here, that's all in our book. You can look at the vocabulary chart. Again, this is a really awesome printable. And so you could like fold it in half and flip back and forth and study your vocab. That's another option. All right, you can print the flashcards. How cool is this, okay? And then the other one I really like is Spanish grammar. So let's say you're working on gustar and verbs like gustar. So then you just click on it. So that's a little more thematic than the verbs one. Verbs are if you're looking for a very specific one. Okay? So this is just a lot of options that you can do on this website. There's tons of ways to review. There's tons of ways to reinforce, and this is a really good resource. So what I would like you to do is check this out, play around with it, do all the activities that you can do. Okay? And that's how you use conjuguemos.com. Hope you have a great day. Bye!